What's up, guys? It's Indorexo here, and today in Prehistoric Nature, we're bringing back the Herrasaurus. So, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. It's pretty good. And then we're gonna make it a little bit desert. We gotta make it a desert, because they...
Yeah, but is this big enough?
Uh, let me check the size.
Deal.
I'm trying to get the grass out. Mix it with dirt and sand. Yeah, like that. And then we just, we'll use gravel, sand, and dirt. I'm gonna bring
I see you just disappear.
Okay, let me get Herrasaurus. I got all the... Oh god, we gotta go to...
Hey, now there.
We need to
Bro's
get...
gonna try to kill me now.
No, I don't have anything. I just have plants and shit. We will make this special.
A few moments later.
You also have the wood. I need the planks. Where are they?
They're in the big chest. Can we, like, not kill each other for once in this episode?
Yeah, Indorexo, so you keep killing me.
No, you kill me! I only stab in...
Oh, you kill me.
You stab me...
I stab in self-defense.
No, I stab in self-defense.
No, I stab in self-defense. You should look at me funny.
What do you mean?
You looked at me funny, so it was self-defense.
I'm just trying to get as many plants into the enclosure as possible. Just stuff them in.
You got your stuff, bro. Get your stuff before it despawns.
I'm trying to get... I will retrieve my stuff soon. Just put my stuff in a chest.
Soon after.
Made a little oopsie.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
Did you release it?
Big oopsie. Huh?
Did you release it?
No.
I'm coming over right now. I knew I shouldn't have trusted you.
It was an oopsie.
Probably have to let it grow up and then we'll kill it. And then put it...
No, I'm making a way to let it go to the habitat.
Okay, just... Okay. I knew I shouldn't
I
have...
was panicking. A spider was attacking me, and I accidentally scrolled, and then it just went to the egg.
I knew I shouldn't have trusted you. Motherfricker.
It was an accident, I swear.
You said that you keep it safe, but no.
I'm sorry.
Moments later.
He left the hole. He's over here.
Where? Look at you, so cute.
What's up, cool?
I got him bigger.